Hi guys, welcome back to the Tech Lads. This is just a short on my PC build. Well, as you can see, it's a big ass PC case. It's a Cooler Master. I can't remember what precise model it is. It's a Cooler Master Cosmos S. Also, I'm going to open it up and show you the insides. There you go. Look at that. Now, what is inside that? Let's see. I've got a i7
7700K
7700K, 32 gig RAM.
GTX 1070.
Yeah.
750 watt bronze power supply, and a load of cables to go with it.
Yeah, it's a bit messy.
The board's not too bad. The board's pretty good. It's a gaming board, Gigabyte, so you know, not too bad. But yeah, this is the case. Obviously, we had one person that wanted to. Wanted to see the build, or well, basically he said that it's like it is a beast, basically, and well, he's not wrong, is he? So yeah. Anything else you want to mention?
And that's my fridge.
And that's his fridge. Subscribe and smash the like.